Breaking: Ripple wins lawsuit against the SEC. XRP. XRP has finally won the lawsuit against the SEC. Yeah, here is the latest news regarding XRP and how it's going to be really up in the coming days. There are a lot of dots that are connecting towards the XRP's successful future. In today's video, we will talk about how XRP won the lawsuit against the SEC and what will be its future. So, Gary Gensler in a recent interview said that we are going to lose some cases. That's the biggest sign towards XRP Ripple winning the case. The scenario of the war between Russia and Ukraine is changing the crypto world. On the other side, most of the people are with Ukraine, and Ukrainian people are depending on crypto at the present time as they need a safe and secure method of transferring their money. But people do not have much knowledge about crypto yet. It does a disservice to responsible actors like Ripple, who is working with governments and with sanctions in the same way. Also, Senator Warren said that the situation is holding the crypto to another level. People can also use other banks like PayPal and all that, but don't know why they need to use crypto. In a tweet, she said that criminals can use cryptocurrency to move money in the shadows, opening a door for Putin and his cronies to evade economic sanctions. I want answers from @US Treasury on how they'll ensure crypto doesn't undermine our response to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. So it means that no matter how much sanctions they put on Russia, they can still use crypto to transfer their money as there is no central system controlling the crypto world. So why Ripple? Ripple is actually like SWIFT banking system, and it's the first cryptocurrency to introduce the blockchain technology, and digital XRP is basically designed to solve the problem of cross-border payments. On the other hand, SWIFT is slow and expensive, but people need to understand how crypto works. There is a problem of liquidity too. It is still not possible to transfer such a huge amount of money across borders using crypto. People in Russia and Ukraine can use other similar methods of payments, but they are obsessed with crypto. The answer is that crypto is just like a clickbait. It's the hottest item and people use it with excitement. Before we talk further about crypto, let me tell you the latest news about XRP. XRP is about 8% up in the past week, and if we talk about the past 24 hours, then it is 6% up. The trending crypto right now is XRP and not Bitcoin in the market. The sun is finally on XRP as Ripple scores the biggest win against SEC. On Friday, the 4th of March, U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres rejected SEC's motion to strike out Ripple's fair notice defense. Brad Garlington said in a recent tweet that if you weren't paying attention then, you should be now. Huge win for Ripple today. From day one, the company was facing a lot of twists and turns, and now it's on the edge of a huge win. Ripple was very confident from the start, and the case was on their side. Even SEC staff are not confident in their case. Eleanor Tourette, who is a Fox journalist, recently said that she thinks that the SEC will not get their desired outcome. She recently tweeted that scoop, turns out even staff at the SEC aren't confident they will win the case against Ripple. A source close to the SEC tells me Hester Pierce has expressed privately she thinks the SEC will not get the outcome it's looking for. So the huge victory is near for Ripple. Now, what can anyone predict about Ripple after its huge victory? Also, the SEC is hiding some emails and documents about the meeting between the Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and the SEC commissioner. The talks are already in the town. That settlement has already been done between them. The case will have a swift ending. In this economical situation, the most viable decision would be taken between the both parties. No one wants to go through some expensive, time-taking trials all the time. The only solution is settling it. As SEC has not been favored in its case, and they have lost in their arguments against Ripple, a large amount of money for the settlement will not be good. Just a small amount of money would be best and a win-win situation for both parties. But there is one more thing. If it would be a complete victory for Ripple without settlement and SEC loses on solid basis without any settlement, then in that case, cryptocurrency as a whole would have a huge victory. The developers in the crypto industry would feel a huge relief in terms of the regulatory projects that they face in their blockchain projects. Now, what will happen after the huge victory of Ripple? Have you imagined that? First of all, let's talk about the current price of XRP. It is $0.788, which is 8.5% up from the past week. So XRP soars up and up after the legal announcement of winning this case. Now the trending crypto is also XRP, and no doubt it's going to be trending for the next few months. The war situation between Russia and Ukraine is also playing a big role. Being a volatile industry, people have started to believe that crypto will crash soon as it has no future. The fear index is still 22 in the extreme fear range. Newbies had already left crypto when the war started, but the dedicated investors who had been investing in it were waiting for the time like this. People in Ukraine have asked the crypto authorities to help them in their money transactions. Actually, people have to do transactions for their businesses, and they're not relying on traditional banking systems now. There is fear of leakage of information, and also hackers are always waiting for the chaos to perform their acts, so they are transacting their money through crypto. Also, the government has asked the crypto authorities to block the addresses of Russian users to stop them using the crypto. On the other hand, the world has started to put sanctions on Russia. They're ending their businesses, and some are halting to put sanctions against them. The biggest banking system, SWIFT, is also slowly removing some of the Russian banks. The Russian economy is at its worst these days due to the war. Russia is already the third top country to invest in crypto. People are finding it safe and secure for the transaction of money overseas and in any part of the world. As there is no central control of these cryptocurrencies, so for now no one can stop Russians from using them. And if we talk about XRP, then Putin will also prefer it over others. There are a lot of things that make XRP preferable over other cryptocurrencies. First of all, you can do a lot of transactions per second using XRP as compared to any other crypto. Secondly, its speed is faster and the blockchain system is really secure to use. Moreover, the current victory against SEC has made Ripple go up in the last few days like never before. Experts were always asking to invest in crypto for the perfect time like this. Experts were also saying that bulls may not be considering entering the market for XRP until the price reaches the $0.9. So now the time has come and the price is already $0.78, which is going to soon be $1 in the market if one sees the graph for XRP. If we talk in short, the XRP price has surpassed the strong resistance zones, and in upcoming weeks and months, the XRP will reach the bullish momentum in the market and sellers are going to have enough profit. So, you might be thinking if this is the right time to invest in XRP or not. I'm not the best expert or the advisor, but I will tell you from my experience that yes, this is the best time. I have always been asking you to invest in it. The past few days were really bad for all of the cryptos, yet XRP was performing better than before. And it's going to reach a bullish point in the market soon. The investors who were always investing in XRP are going to be millionaires soon. After the victory of XRP, now no one can stop it from being the trending crypto for a very long time. And if you're investing in it now, you are going to benefit a lot in the future. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. So are you going to sell your XRP holdings as it is being suggested? Tell us in the comments section down below. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.